Well, welcome back to Versions again today, and today we're doing two songs where you guys know how I do it. And today we're gonna be doing Neil Diamond's I Am Said I, and the original done by Neil Diamond, and also the Jamaican version done by Mikey Spice. So you know how we do it. We just play the American version and the Jamaican version, and you guys tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. Not which one you think is best, but which one is your favorite. Okay? So remember, guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe by hitting that notification bell. So, guys, here we go with Neil Diamond's I Am.
LA is fine, the sun shines most of the time, and the feeling is laid back. Palm trees grow and rents are low, but you know, keep thinking about making my way back. Well, I'm New York City born and raised, but nowadays I'm lost between two shores. LA's fine, but it ain't home. New York's home, but it ain't mine no more. I am myself to no one else, and no one heard at all, not even the chair. I am, I cried. I am, said I, and I am lost, and I can't even say why. Leaving me lonely still.
Well, I can tell you, I can relate to this song. Yeah, I'm Jamaican born, but New York is not my home. And this city is so big. It makes you feel lonely at times. Even when you're around people, thousands of people, you feel lonely. So I can relate to this song. So let's continue to listen to Neil Diamond's I Am Says I.
Did you ever read about a frog who dreamed of being a king and then became one? Well, except for the names and a few other changes, if you're told about me, the story's the same one. But I got an emptiness deep inside that I've tried, but it won't let me go. And I'm not a man who likes to swear, but I never cared for the sound of being alone. I am, I said, to no one there, and no one heard at all, not even the chair. I am, I cried.
Yeah, so basically, it's lonely. Yeah, like a lot of New Yorkers are. So, guys, let me know what you think about his version of this song. So, here we go as we play the Jamaican version, which is done by Micah Spice. Okay, so guys, this is Micah Spice version of I Am Said I. Right, so here we go.
It's all about you. It ain't fine and sunshine most of the time. And the feeling's laid back. Palm tree roll, rent so low, don't you know?
But I keep working my way back. Shit. But I'm Jamaican born.
Born and raised. Nowadays I'm lost between the two shores.
So true.
LA's fine, but it ain't home. New York's home, but it ain't mine no more.
Yeah, you heard the man say. The man say, yo, New York is fine, but it ain't mine no more. Right? So as I said, it's a song about being lonely. And I like this version. I can relate to it. Okay, so here we go as Micah Spice continues singing. I Am Said I.
I am myself. No one there. And no one heard at all, not even the chair. I am my pride. I am said
And I am lost and I don't even say why.
leaving the lonely still. Did you read about a father who dreamed of being a king? And they all became one. Except for the name, if you ever change, you talk about me.
This story is the same one.
But I've got this emptiness deep inside, and it won't let me go. And I'm a man who don't like to swear, but I hate the sound of being alone. I am myself to no one there,
And no one.
heard at all, not even the chair. I am my pride. I am said then I am lost and I can't even say why. I am myself to no one there, and no one heard at all, not even the chair. I am my pride.
So, guys, I'm gonna cut it right there. And please forgive my weak effort at singing. Yeah, I can't sing. Okay, so, as I said, tell me your favorite. Okay, not which one is best, but your favorite. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna leave it there. So remember, like, share, comment, and click on that notification bell, please. Thank you. This is Big Papa signing out.